Fruity seafood. A main dish from Australia. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Melt butter in saucepan, sauté apple and shallots until soft. Add curry powder and cook for a minute longer. Step 2. Stir in flour, add apple juice. Bring to boil, stirring constantly. Step 3. Add salt and dill, simmer for 5 minutes. Add prawns and scallops, cook until almost tender. Add banana 5 minutes before end of cooking time. Step 4. Stir in cream, heat through. Serve with fluffy or fragrant rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.